I am Wing Commander P Singh and my wife Mrs. Inderjeet kaur. I am a senior citizen, age 78, and my wife is 71. I had lots of apprehensions when we will get the vaccine, how it will affect, what brand of vaccine we will get, where we have to go, how to do the registration, how to go about it. But it's providence of God. I came to know yesterday from a friend of mine and colleague of mine who advised me that we have gone to Healing Hospital, which is in a close vicinity of my residence, and there he got the vaccine in a matter of about few minutes rather than hours. I took the chance without registration because I am not too savvy at it. I visited Healing Hospital, and then to my good luck, I met there Miss Kaur, who facilitated further and set at rest our apprehensions about the vaccine, its after effects and other things. I was guided. I had carried my Aadhaar card. After giving Aadhaar card and getting the vaccine, it took not more than 30 minutes. And we were treated also, offered a coffee, a relaxed atmosphere, good ambience to sit, and the most redeeming feature was the personal care by their staff and predominantly by Ms. Kaur. We are grateful that Government of India has allocated certain hospitals who have got such high level of service, standards of service, and courtesy is extended which we seek as a senior citizen. Thank you.
We are relaxed and comfortable. Thank you.